On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix messages updating 3 ways easily and fast. So the first way to fix this problem is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds right here on this page, and after that you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on notifications management, and now make sure to disable all the notifications in the app. That's the first way. The second way is very easy. Just go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it, and after 10 seconds disable it. And the last way that you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.